Hey lovelies, so today I want to do a very detailed video on wallet to wallet transaction. That is, you want to transfer from Bybit to Bitget, or from Bitget to Bybit, or from Binance to Bybit, and vice versa. So I call it wallet to wallet transaction. Whether you want to transfer crypto, which is ton, or your which is like your ton or your token, or you want to transfer fiat, which is like your USD, your euros, your GBP, is the same process. I'm going to walk you through that video today. So this is a wallet to wallet transaction for those of us on crypto trading. So now this year is my Cartesian token that was sent to me. That's actually reduced so much, so drastic. So it's so drastic that's reduced so much. That's the reason why I said whenever you get your tokens, trade it to USDT if you want, or hold it. I was trying to hold this, but it keep reducing. But don't worry, I'll just show you a video illustration, and we're going to do a lot of assumption today. So please, this video might be long, so just get ready. Now this is my Bitget wallet. Bitget wallet has two. There is a normal Bitget and there is a Bitget wallet. They work hand in hand. Let me go to my app store and show you the difference. So this is my Play Store. If you are on using iPhone, go to your app store. I'm using an Android device. I'm using my Play Store. So for my Play Store, this is the wallet I am talking about. Sorry about incoming messages. This is the wallet I am talking about. You click on this Bitget wallet, the one that wrote crypto and BTC. This is the one we are talking about. Then let me update it so that I'll get the latest update. Then if you come up here, you're going to see this normal Bitget where I wrote buy and sell crypto. This is the one I showed you how to open and verify few days back. So if you're not seen that video, I'll set up that video link in the description box beneath this video. So this is the normal Bitget buy and sell crypto. They work hand in hand, but the one we are working on today is this Bitget wallet, crypto and BTC. So if you don't have this particular one, go and download it right now. So it is this particular one that Cartesian sent my airdrop token to. Do you understand, guys? So what is here? So what you are seeing here that is showing 1.0999, it is not USD, it is not USDT, it is my Cartesian airdrop token. Do you understand, guys? USDT, USD, we can use them interchangeably, because USD and USDT means that the it's like the, how will I put this now? It's like the crypto equivalent. USD is the crypto equivalent of USDT. Do you understand? So if you're saying USDT, just look at it like, okay, it's just like another name for US dollars in crypto language. Do you understand? So guys, now this one here, it is not USD or USDT. This is my Cartesian homepage. This is my Cartesian airdrop. Sorry about that. This is my Cartesian airdrop that was sent to me some days ago, and I decided to just keep it like this. Yeah. So now let's imagine that we want to transfer this Cartesian airdrop token to Bybit. Now it's the same procedure if you're using Binance. It is the same procedure if you're using OKX. It is the same procedure with whatever wallet you're using. So I decided to share this video once and for all. So let's imagine you're transferring this Cartesian to Bybit. That is, we want to do a crypto transaction. You know, I told you the difference between a crypto transaction and a fiat transaction. Crypto has to do with your ton, your airdrop tokens, and the likes. While fiat has to do with your USD, your euros, your pounds, and the likes. Do you understand, guys? Now we are now imagining that I want to transfer this ton, this crypto, from this your Bitget to your Bybit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come here and click on this more that is here. This is the easiest way of getting it. Either you click here or you click on this place. We'll arrive at the same place. So if you click on this more here, once you click on that more, it will bring you here and you will see send. You will see send here. You now click on that send. Once you click on that send, it will ask what are you sending. What we have here now is Catizen token. That is the reason why you can see here they wrote 2 Cati. You can see BTC, I don't have anything here because I don't have any BTC. This ETH, I don't have anything here, so it's 0. This SOL, I don't have anything here, it's 0. This stone, I have about less than, I don't know how to call this, less than this. So you can see this 1 written here. So wherever you have your crypto or your token, you will see that figure in this place. Do you understand, guys? So now we have these 2 Cati. I'm not actually going to transfer this Cati. I just want to show you. So I'll click on this Cati. If you don't see what you're looking for here, you can use this search here to search. Now imagine that I have cats and cat is not reflecting here. I'll just click on cat and then you see that I don't have cats. So there is no, I don't have like any money on cats, any token on cats, so that cat is not here. But if I have it, to pop up here like this Catizen. So now this is Cati. I'll just click on this Cati and then I'll make sure that this network here is showing ton because it is ton we want to transfer. And I will now come here and paste the wallet address from the wallet that I want to deposit to. Bitget is a sender, right? Bybit is a receiver. So if I want to now transfer this my ton to my Bybit, it means I will go to Bybit and I'll copy my Bybit address for Cati. Do you understand? For Cati, and I'll come here and paste it. I'll come here and paste it. Let's do that. Let me show you guys. Then I'll also copy my Cati memo and I'll come here. I'll copy it from my Bybit and I'll come to Bitget and paste it. This is the same thing for your Binance, your OKS and the like. So let's go to Bybit. So now I am on my Bybit. Now I will now come to this place. I'll come to this place, the road deposit. I showed you in a previous video how to get access deposit platform. You can either do it via this place, or you can either click on deposit here, or you can click on deposit here, or you can also get deposit from your wallet. That is from your wallet. Anywhere you click deposit, we're going to land on the same page. So if I click on deposit here, my Bybit is going to ask me, what do I want to deposit? Crypto is what I want to deposit. So, and the crypto that I want to deposit is Catizen. Do you guys understand? So if it is Amstar you want to deposit here, it is Amstar you're going to search for. If it is Mimify, when Mimify is list, it is Mimify you're going to search for. Do you guys understand? If it is BTC, you will search for BTC. So I'll come here and I will search for Catizen. That is CATI. That is the short icon or short code for Catizen. Cati. Sorry guys, Cati. And when you click on Cati, see that it's appearing here. It is appearing here. Here. I'm now going to click on this Catizen. And once I click on Catizen, I will now choose ton. Because remember on Bitget, what the network there was ton. So this network or chain type here is also going to be ton, not mantle. Do you understand, guys? Please respond in the comment section if you understand. Once you see this notification popping up, just click on OK. Then it is now this Catizen wallet address and Catizen tag they are going to copy and paste in your Bitget or paste in any sender wallet you want to use. Don't do the mistake of going to go and copy the wallet address for Amstar and use it for Catizen. My dear, it will not work. Oh, don't do the mistake of using the wallet address for cats and copy it and paste it for Catizen. It will not work. So always use the wallet address for the airdrop project you are using. That is, if you are using Cati, make sure you're copying the wallet address for Cati for deposits. If you are using Amstar, make sure you're copying the wallet address for Amstar for deposits. And make sure you are choosing the right network type, which is ton. Do you understand, guys? So now, let's now imagine that I have copied this, right? After copying it, I will now also copy this tag number. Please, when you copy it, just go to your Telegram, go to a chat like they're not using, and paste this there. Paste this your Cati deposit address and Cati tag number or memo or comment and paste it so that you don't have to come back here and the page will now refresh and you will now start all over again. So let's say I've copied this wallet address right now. I will now go over to my Bitget. I'll go over to my Bitget wallet. Like I said, this procedure works for any wallet, any crypto wallet you are using. Whether Binance, whether OKX, or the likes. So once I now come to my crypto, you see that it's reloaded itself again. We'll now go to our more. We'll now click on the send. Once you now click on the send, remember it is Cathy. We remember it is Cathy we are trying to send. I'm also trying to send it. The network is torn. It's torn, right? So we now come here. This is torn. We'll now come here and paste that address we copied. We'll paste it here. Do you see it now, guys? Do you see it now, guys? Then we'll now go back again to our Bitget and copy. You see what I said? You should always copy your wallet address and memo. We'll now go back. I'm just imagining we've copied our tag. We'll now come here and paste our tag. We'll come here and paste our tag. Let me just write a tag. I'm just guessing here, guys. You don't go and write 11555555. Don't go and write any number. Just paste what you see there. Please don't go and write any number. Paste what you see on your tag. Then after doing that, I'll now come to this amount and write the amount of Cathyism that I want to transfer. You write the amount of Amster Combat. If I use Amster Combat that you want to transfer, you write the amount of whatever airdrop you want to transfer. Let me just write 555 here. If you want to transfer all, you will just come here and click on all. Do you guys understand? If you want to transfer all, you click on all, and it will always show you the available Cathy or the available Amster or the available X Empire or the available Mimify that you want to transfer. It always show it to you here. So yeah, it's showing me available Cathy that I can transfer. It's 2 Cathy. So I will just go here and write the amount I want to transfer. And then once I am through, I will now come here and click on confirm. Do you guys get it? Once you click on confirm, it will ask you maybe for a biometric verification, like a PIN or a password, and then your money will be transferred directly to your Bybit wallet, and you will see it under your Cathyism under crypto. Do you understand? Once I click on confirm, the money will the token will be transferred from my Bitget to my Bybit, and I'll see it under Cathyism. If it is Amster, it will transfer from my Bitget to my Bybit, and I'll see it under Amster. If it is X Empire, it will transfer from my Bitget to my Bybit, and I'll see it under X Empire. It is that simple. This is for crypto transfer. Do you understand, guys? This is for crypto transfer. Now, you will now, if you want to do Binance, the same procedure. It will be transferred from your sender account to your receiver account, and you sit under your crypto, under the airdrop. The airdrop can be Amster, can be X Empire, and the likes. I'm doing a repetition for newbies. Please listen well. So if you're still watching this video to this point, I am not yet subscribed. After all this, my explanation, hey, you too do the turn or the crypto or the token will always be transferred from your sender's account to your receiver's account, from your sender wallet to your receiver's wallet. It is the same thing. So if you're watching my video to this point and not yet subscribed, hey, why now? Please subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and also I appreciate your super thanks. Now I've showed you how to do a crypto or a turn or a token transaction, or a token or a turn or a crypto transfer. Let's now do fiat. So you can see that we are on the Bybit interface, and you can also see that I have this 0.89 USD. I have 0.89 USD. I will now click on assets here. I'll click on assets here, and once I click on assets, it will bring me to this platform. You see this platform here. Now you will make sure that what you want to send, the USD you want to send, is in your funding account first. Do you guys get? Make sure it is in your funding account first. I've shared severally how to transfer from Unify to funding, so I'm not going into that. Make sure it's in your funding account first. Then you will now click on withdraw. That is on your Bybit. You're clicking on withdraw. On other platform, maybe like Binance or Bitget, it might be send. Do you get? It might be send. But on this platform, on Bybit, it's called withdraw. It might also be withdraw, but let's do withdraw. So you now click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it's going to load this interface, and it's going to ask, what are you withdrawing? Are you withdrawing crypto or you are withdrawing fiat? Remember, I've told you what crypto is and what fiat is. So I will now click on fiat like this. Yeah. It's now asks me what currency am I trying to withdraw. I will now click on USD because USD I'm trying to withdraw. Do you guys understand? Now I am not per se having USD. I am having USDT. So that is why this place here is showing 0. If I have USD, if you have USD, it will show the amount of USD you are having. Do you understand, guys? It will show the amount of USD you are having. Then you now come here and write the amount that you want to withdraw. And if you want to withdraw everything, you just click on this max. If it is not USD you want to send to your Bitget, if it is, let's say, euros, you will change this currency to euro. You cannot click on the continue icon. I don't have any here. That's the reason why it's showing me 0. You will now click on the continue icon. Once you click on the continue icon, you'll be transferred to another interface that will ask you to paste the wallet address and the tag of the receiver account, just like they would do for crypto. It's the same thing. You will now go to your Bitget or your Binance or your receiver wallet and copy the wallet address and the tag number, and you will now paste it on this your Bybit account. After you paste in your Bybit account, you will now click on send or withdraw or confirm, and then you now enter your biometrics or your password, and you automatically have your USD in your receiver's account. Do you guys understand? This is just how to do wallet to wallet transaction. Either you are sending crypto or you are sending fiat, or that is your real currency. Do you guys understand? If you don't understand, leave me comments in the comment section. I will be glad to respond. As many times as possible, ask, I will respond. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. So this is how to just do wallet to wallet transaction, either crypto or fiat. So let's imagine that we want to now change this USD, this USDT. We want to change it to USD. USDT to USD. You just come here and click on convert. Right? You come here and click on convert, because what I have here is USDT. You come here and click on convert. You will change this from here to USDT, and this too will be USD. Let me do this now. USDT. Then I'll go here. I'll click on that Bitcoin and I'll go and pick USD. No, I'll make sure this is on fiat, because it's not crypto. I want to do it to fiat. I want to do it to like normal currency. I'll change it to USD. You see now, what is here now is USDT. What is here? What is here is USDT. What is here is USD. Do you guys understand? And this USD is under fiat. Why this one is under crypto? That is, transferring from crypto to real currency, to your real currency, either in euro or in USD. That's why it's showing here. Then, before you can do this USDT to USD, you must have 10 USDT. Do you understand? Do you understand? When it is now up to like 10 USD, you cannot transfer it to USD. You cannot swap it to USD. You cannot change it to USD. It's the same thing. So let it be from 10 upward. The minimum is 10. The minimum USDT you can transfer to USD is 10. Once you have not done that, I don't have enough here. That's why it's showing. That is why this is showing. It's not showing any amount here, and it's telling me I should buy more. Like I should go and buy more USDT. If you have, you will see the amount here. I can click on max, and once you click on max, you can now do the conversion, do the swapping, do the transfer. If you've enjoyed this video, please do well to leave me a thumbs up. I will appreciate your super thanks, and I appreciate your comments, and I appreciate your subscription. So see you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.